It's TLD day 29, so we're telling time today. All right, remember our shorthand is our hour hand. That's the hand we start with. And then we count by fives to our long hand. So let's look. Look at what this shorthand is pointing to. What's it pointing to? It's pointing to the 1, isn't it? Put your 1 and then your colon. And remember, guys, I can't do dots very well on this. So you should have 2 little dots called a colon. Now we've got to start at the 1 and count by fives to get to the long hand. So count with me. Ready? 5, 10. Okay? All right? So 110. So 110 in the morning, you should be asleep. 110 in the afternoon, you are leaving my room and getting ready to go back to homeroom. Okay? All right, let's look. What is that shorthand pointing to? Look here. It's not on the 11 yet, is it? So we got to say it's 10. 10. What? Let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25. 10:25. 10:25 in the morning. You guys were finishing up some reading groups in here with me and Miss Kristen. 10:25 at night. I'm hoping you're in bed, asleep. All right. Ooh, this one's tricky. Look here. Look at that shorthand. It looks like it's pointing to that 4, but it's not quite there yet. So it is 3 something. Okay. Now we got to count by fives all the way to that long hand. Ready? Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right. 3:45 in the morning. I hope you're asleep. And 3:45 in the afternoon, we've gotten out of school and you should be on the bus. Okay? All right, this one's super tricky too. That shorthand looks like it's on the 6, but it is just before the 6. It hadn't gotten quite to that 6 yet. So it's still 5 something. So 5, and then we've got to count by fives all the way around. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 5:55. 5:55 means it's almost 6 o'clock. So 5:55 in the morning, you're probably still in bed asleep. 5:55 in the evening, you are maybe finishing up homework, eating dinner, maybe playing outside. Okay? All right, I've got to erase. I hope you got those. I'm going to erase and go to the next row. All right? Okay, guys, ready? Let's look at shorthand. Oh, be careful. Look. It looks like it's on that 3, but it hasn't quite made it there yet. So it's still 2. 2 something. Ready? Let's count by fives all the way around. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 2:45. Okay, 2:45 in the morning. I hope you're still asleep. And then 2:45 in the afternoon, you're coming back from specials. Okay? All right, what's that shorthand pointing to? Look, if I do this, it's not on that 7 yet, is it? It's 6 something. See, if I draw my line out, it's not on that 7 yet. All right, so it's 6 something. So you got to count by fives all the way around to here. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. All right, 6:40 in the morning. I would say you're probably maybe eating breakfast. You're getting ready. You might have already gotten on the bus. You're waiting on the bus, or on your way to school on the bus. Okay, 6:40 in the afternoon or in the evening. You may have just finished dinner, maybe getting a bath, or finishing up some homework, maybe watching a little TV. All right? Okay, let's look. What's that shorthand pointing to? It's really close to that 5, isn't it? It just passed that 5. Now, we've got to count by 5s to our long hand. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. 5:20. 5:20 in the morning. Hopefully you're still asleep. 5:20 in the evening. Maybe finishing up dinner, finishing up homework, watching a little TV, something like that. Okay? All right. Now, look at that little shorthand. What's that shorthand pointing to? It's pointing to the 1, isn't it? Okay? Now, that long hand is on the 1. What do we say? We say 5. Do we write 1, 5? No. 1, 0, 5. 1, 0, 5. So 1:05 in the morning, you're still asleep. 1:05 in the afternoon, you're in my classroom, okay? We're doing reading groups. All right? I've got to erase and move it up, okay? All right. Look at that shorthand. Wonder where it's pointing. You try to figure out where it's pointing to. If I kind of draw out, it's not on that 10 yet, so it's still on the 9. It's 9 something. Ready? Count by 5s all the way to here. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 9:30. 9:30 in the morning. Some of you all are getting ready to leave Miss Schott's class. Some of you are still in Miss Schott's class. And 9:30 at night, you're in bed, going to sleep. Okay? All right, let's look at this shorthand. Look at this shorthand. Where is he? He's not on that 12 yet, is it? It's still 11 something. So 11. Now I've got to count by 5s all the way around to my long hand. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. 11:55. 11:55 in the morning. We have come back from lunch and we're in Miss Lawson's class. Okay? 11:55 at night, you're in bed asleep. All right? Oh, tricky. Let's draw. Look. It's not exactly on that 3 yet, is it? So it's still 2 something. 2. Now let's count by 5s all the way around. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. All right. 2:50 in the morning, you were still in bed asleep. 2:50 in the afternoon, you're coming back from specials. Okay? All right, when you're ready, flip it over. All right, we have one word problem, and I realized I didn't put our numbers in there. So we're going to say Jacqueline had, let's say, 63 stickers. Okay, so make sure you got 63 in there. Then she got some more. Now she has 90 stickers. Okay, so let's do our start, change, result. So put 63 and 90 in there, and then put your start, your change, and your result. So 63, 90, start, change, result. Okay, so Jacqueline had 63 stickers in her notebook. So what did she start with? 63. Then she got some more. Do we know what it changed by? She got some. Nope. Now she has 90 stickers. So at the end of the story, she has 90 stickers. Now, here's the thing. She had 63 and she got some more. Are we adding or subtracting? Yeah, we're adding. You got more. 2-finger strategy. Is there a number on both sides of that plus sign? No. That's plus. That's not a rule breaker. So we're going to do the opposite. Okay? No number on both sides, we're gonna do the opposite. What's the opposite of plus? Minus. So do a minus, or takeaway problem over here. 90 subtract 63. Please don't put a 3 down there. I hope you're doing it before me. Alright, I can't do 0 subtract 3, so I gotta go next door and trade. So if I have 9 and I borrow 1, or I trade 1, how many are left? 8. That 10 moves in. 10 subtract 3, 8 subtract 2, get an answer. Alright, 10 subtract 3 is 7. Hope you got that. 8 subtract 6 is 2. So 27. Alright, 27 what? Well, let's look at the question. How many did she get? Didn't tell us. So let's look up in the story. Jacqueline had 63 stickers. So she needed, so how many more did she get? 27 stickers. You gotta label your answer, okay? Alright, let's look down at the bottom, see what we got. Alright, these are subtraction problems. You will only have to regroup once, like look right here. 1 subtract 3. I can't do it, so I'm going to go regroup. Alright. You know what to do. Take your time. On all of these, you're going to have to regroup one time. Alright? Okay? Now, before you go, let's look and see what you need to do for your social studies today. TLD day 29. Alright? Can we look at the social studies? Okay. Alright, TLD day 29. Go back and watch one of the Brain Pot videos. So any of those 3, just go back and watch them. That's all you'd have to do. Or read the article Goods and Services again and complete the questions on the attached sheet. Okay, it's labeled TLD 28 and there's a question there for you to answer after you read the article again. Whichever one you want to do is fine, okay? Make sure you go back and finish those 4 subtraction problems for me, okay guys? Alright guys,